back to my channel. My name is Elmarie. Guys, today I am at home and I will be making some nice Escovitch fish, serving that with bami and some festival. Alongside that, I'll be doing some fruit/vegetable juice. Let's get started. So guys, I bought these snapper over in Brampton at Gems, and they are nice. I can highly recommend them because the fish is like fresh. So this is just some yellowtail snapper, so I will just clean the fish from the extra scale that is on it. To clean the fish, I'm using a dinner knife because it's not sharp, so it won't slip and cut. Usually I would clean them before I put them in the fridge, but this time around, busy life, I didn't get to do that. And it's so hard when you are eating your fish and you're scaling it at the same time. That's a no-no. So in this I have some salt and pepper. I'm only using salt and pepper to fry the fish. So I'll just get the frying pan heated. In the meantime, I'm just giving the fish a pour in the side, so I will put the salt and pepper in. That way I have it more tasty. So guys, I finished seasoning the fish with just salt and pepper, but I decide to go outside and fry the fish because I don't want the house to be too raw. So I'll fry the fish outside on the barbecue. So now the fish is outside frying. I will just go ahead and start making the festival. So in this bowl I have just a cup of flour. To that I'm gonna add just a little bit of cornmeal. So like a quarter of a cup of cornmeal and some nutmeg and a bit of sugar. Then I will add some baking powder. This was just a cup of flour, so I'll add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. fold all of these together, all of these dry ingredients. Then I'll put a spoon of butter also. Use some milk to make the dough. I'll just heat the frying pan in the interest of time. So what I'm doing now is to try to get the butter evenly in the flour, and also doing so air get in, and that is a raising agent also, just by doing like this. I was leaving out one ingredient, and it's the salt. So here I'm multitasking back and forth from outside to in, so I'm gonna check on the fish outside. So now these are ready to turn. So now I'll just make the festival and put them in the pot. I'll do it over there. This is the bami. Now I will put the bami. I'll just cut it and put it to soak in the milk, so that way it's nicer and soft when you fry. And I'll pour some milk on. using something bigger, but it's okay. Just put the top one at the bottom. There we go. So to fry the bami, guys, we fry the bami in butter instead of oil. Okay, usually you would butter the bami, so you can just fry it in the pot. So now the butter is hot. I'll just put the bami in. Okay guys, the fish is all done. So I'm gonna make the sauce for the fish, which is just salt, pepper, onion, and vinegar. All done. And the festival all done. So now I will start cutting my onion and some pepper. So here I have some carrot, peppers, Scotch bonnet pepper of course, and some onion, making the sauce with the vinegar for the fish. So I'll just put that on the fish. Now I will pour some vinegar in. And this is white vinegar. Guys, this is really spicy. It's burning my nose. The Scotch bonnet pepper and the vinegar. Wow, but smell nice. So I'll get rid of some of these utensils. And I'll flip the board, so I'll give it a clean. I'm using the cantaloupe, cucumber, and ginger. And because I have peach, I will just throw a peach in. Here you have it, guys, a lovely dish of Escovitch fish, serving with some bammies and alongside some festival. Guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Very good, all put together nicely. Tastes very nice, not a word of a lie. Guys, please remember, like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.